Breaking bread, understanding a time-honored phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, to break bread. This idiom has rich historical roots and is used in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or an English learner, understanding such phrases can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of to break bread. In its most literal sense, to break bread refers to the physical act of breaking a loaf of bread into pieces before eating it. Historically, bread has been a staple in many cultures, and the act of breaking it rather than cutting it with a knife is seen in numerous traditions. This simple act carries a sense of sharing and simplicity. However, to break bread is more commonly used in a figurative sense. It symbolizes the act of eating a meal together in a spirit of harmony and fellowship. When people break bread together, they aren't just sharing food, they're sharing companionship and conversation. It's a gesture of friendship, peace, and community. The phrase has historical and religious significance too. In Christianity, breaking bread is associated with the Last Supper, symbolizing unity and faith. Similarly, in many cultures, sharing bread is a sign of hospitality and goodwill. Understanding these connotations can add depth to your interpretation of the phrase in different contexts. In modern times, to break bread is used in both formal and informal contexts. You might hear it in business, suggesting a meeting over a meal to discuss matters in a friendly atmosphere. Or, it's used among friends planning to catch up over dinner. For instance, let's break bread together this weekend and catch up on old times. I hope this video has shed light on the rich meanings behind the phrase, to break bread. It's more than just eating. It's about sharing, community, and connection. Whether in historical texts or modern conversations, this phrase carries a warmth that transcends cultures and times. Thanks for watching, and happy language learning!